What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Geek World Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 8 on your Mac using a virtualization software called Virtualbox. So first you're going to go into your browser. For me, I use Google Chrome. Go to Google and search for Virtualbox. And this is a free software, so you're just going to go ahead and download it. Go over to Downloads. And for Mac, you're going to want to use OS X. For Windows, use this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this. Make sure you press Keep. And it's going to give you this DMG file. So while you're waiting for that to download, go over to Google and search for Windows 8 Release Preview. You click on this one by Microsoft, and probably have the link in the description, so go ahead and check that out. Go over to Get It Now. And right here, you're going to want to press ISO format, because you need the ISO file instead. And download the 64-bit if you want 64-bit, and download the 32-bit if you want that. I'm going to go with 64-bit. And download that. That's going to take a while, so I'm going to come back when that's done. Alright, once you're done downloading, go over to the virtualbox.dmg file, double click on that. And then go over here to step 1 and double click on this mPackage file. Click on continue, and install. Make sure that it's on your root directory or your Macintosh HD in my case. So type in your password when prompted. And this shouldn't take a long time for the installation. So let's just close this. As you can see, it's already done, so click on close. Go over to applications and open up Virtualbox. So as you can see, this is the welcome screen for Virtualbox. So you're going to go over and click on new, continue, and type in Windows 8. So as you can see, it defaultly selects Windows 8 because it's just that awesome, but because I'm using a 64-bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose 64-bit. If you're using 32-bit, just leave it like that. Click on continue. And for the RAM, I'm going to set to 4 gigs. Click on continue. And just leave everything at default. Click on continue. You know, you can choose whatever you want. I recommend using the first one. Click on continue and continue again. For this one, you can set how big you want your boot drive to be. So for me, I'm just going to leave it at 25 gigs and click on continue again. And you can review what you've done already and click create. Create. As you can see, it's powered off right now, so you're going to click on start. And it shows you the screen where you have, like, when your mouse is integrated inside here and you can't use your actual Mac itself, so press on the command, left command, if that ever happens. So I'm going to click do not show again and OK. And because this is a first run, this first run wizard pops up. You're going to go ahead and click continue. For the media source, this is where the Windows 8 ISO file comes in. So you're going to choose, press this little button right here and go over to desktop, which is where I have mine. Yours might be in your downloads folder. And just choose the Windows 8 release preview thing. Open up, continue, and again review and stuff, start. As you can see, it's starting right now. So here's the Windows screen. And here's the new loading thing that goes around. And I'm going to go do not show this again. If that pops up, just click OK and stuff. So language to install, United States, English, yeah, okay, US. Click next. And install now. So you're going to see the setup is starting. And you're going to need this product key thing, so you're going to go over to Google Chrome again. Head over to Google once again. And after you've done that, you want to go over to Windows 8 Release Preview once again. Click on that. Go over to Get It Now. Same procedure as before. Click on ISO. And copy this product key right here. So I'm just going to Command C right now. And minimize this. Go over here and yeah, you can't paste it. So what you're going to do is go over, make this small, and show the product key right here and manually type it in. Because that's the only way that you can get it in. So I'm just going to go TK8 TP-9JN6P-7X7WW-RFF-TV-B7QPF. Click on Next once you're done. Accept, of course, after you've read everything. And click on Next. Click on Custom Install Windows Only Advanced. Click on your unallocated space, which is 25 gigs because you set that before. Click on Next. And it's now installing. So after this is done installing, I'll come back. And I paused the screen so you guys can see this. So I'm just going to go ahead and resume. And once you get restart this thing, you just click on Restart Now or wait for 10 seconds. Click on OK if this appears. You know, just wait for this. And if you installed it properly, Windows should boot. So I'm just going to wait for that. And it says please wait as well, so now Windows is done installing everything. It's preparing you for your first use, like when you just set up Windows 7. So it's similar things. One thing to note is that when you have your mouse and when your Finder is, well, when it says Virtualbox VM on top, you have your mouse in here, you can't see your mouse, but when you move it away, you can use your Mac again. So it's a cool feature of Virtualbox. Of course, I think all virtual machines have this feature, but you know, whatever. So I'm just letting Windows 8 do its thing. You have to restart again. Again, after the installation, I'm going to go over the configuration process, because you need to change some things if you want it to run a bit faster. So it's just gone up and rebooted. And after that, it'll walk you through the normal setup process where you choose like your username and, you know, password, your settings, email, whatever. So it's just booting into Windows, and I tried this with Parallel 7, and for me it didn't work. I don't know why. It just says the Windows screen. There's no spinning icon at the bottom, and after that it just says fatal error, and then it crashes. So after that, you're gonna choose your favorite color, you know, whatever, blue. Yeah, let's just call this Win 8. Windows or whatever. Next. After that, you're going to click on Use Express Settings and sign up without a Microsoft account using the local account, and just do something like I can't use any threes. and no password because I'm lazy. So click on finish, and it's going to finalize your settings and bring you to the desktop. So let's just maximize this right here. As you can see, this is using up a lot of RAM because this thing's using 4 gigs, and again your Mac is using like a few gigs as well, so you know your RAM's gonna max out pretty quick if you don't have a lot. So that's something to note. Alright, so as you can see, it's booted into Windows 8, into the start menu and the famous Metro start menu. So go ahead and click on desktop. You have this new background. It says Windows 8 release preview right here, evaluation copy, you know, all that good stuff. And if you want to, you can go ahead and go over to screen resolution and just drag that all the way up. Click on OK. And click on keep changes. And then if you want to, you're going to go ahead and click on Command F to go over to full screen. And then once you've done that, you've basically have Windows 8 on your Mac OS X. So just going over a few features, you know, Metro, and going over here you have the settings, you know, personalization. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Overall, it's really good operating system so far, but I'm saying that because it uses a lot less RAM, it runs a lot faster, and it boots a lot faster. So yeah, that's the installing process done. So you're gonna go ahead and just clicked on the wrong thing. Never use Internet Explorer. Go over to settings, power, and shutdown. I'm just going to exit out of this quickly and just going to shut down quickly, and after that I'm just going to show you how to configure. So go over here, your Oracle VM Virtualbox Manager, go over to settings with Windows 8 selected. Here you can change all of your settings with description, you know, system, change the RAM around, processor, I usually set this to 4 cores, you know, enable all that stuff, drag video memory all the way up, you know, enable 2D acceleration. If you want to go to share folders, you can also share folders with this extra plugin, but that's not covered in this video, so go ahead and click on OK, and that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe for more computer videos. See you guys next time.